going on, guys? It's your boy John, and I'm out here with that boy David once again, the two main men. We're here bringing y'all a little video at a new spot today. If you know, you know. If you don't, gotta get in the know. Hey, but you know, a little something special today because we got tired of the regular spot. Not that we got tired necessarily, but it's a good distance to get there, you know. So we said, fuck it, let's go somewhere new. We got the Jon Boat out like usual, a little Jon Boat adventure. I'm here eating my Subway. And out of nowhere, David gets a crazy run. Right, David? Started pulling this rod down super hard and everything. David's got the new Pro Burrows out. Some of that good. So y'all can see we're gonna be giving one of these Pro Burrows away soon. And I'll announce the giveaway right now while we're at it. Y'all stay tuned. But yeah, hopefully we'll be able to bring y'all a gar. That's gotta be a catway. Bobber's still down, he still got it. My baby. Now you're on. You got right? Yeah, he's coming in, Does it feel good? Oh shit! He has a good catfish. Look like a good catfish. Oh yeah. Bring that boy up. There you go. That's the second one, guys. We didn't record the first one. Here, you wanna use these? So you don't fuck your hands up. Where did I put him? You got him? Oh damn, he doesn't have an eye. Really? Oh shit. He probably lost it when he was younger. Someone probably put a hook through him, you know? That's a good catway. About a 3 pounder, 4 pounder. Probably like a 3, right? On that carp.
Man, these fucking hooks are just like circles.
Right.
The way they pop out, yeah.
Oh shit.
I said when you're on carp.
Oh yeah.
I don't think I'm gonna keep any today, y'all, but definitely a fun little fight for sure.
I'll keep some if we get them later towards the night, but not right now. He does have an eye, look. It's like, one more.
Ah, shit.
Yeah, it's fine. Alrighty. You got one more?
Sure. Yup. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boys, he's on him. That's a big one. Oh shit, that's a big one.
That's a big one.
That's a big one. That's a fucking big one. Holy shit. Holy shit, that's a big one. That's fucking huge. Come on.
Either that or I was wrapped. I just felt something pop.
Still on?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Big old gar. Let's go. Hell yeah, baby, come on. Alright, pass me that last one. Pass me that last one.
Alright, we're gonna have to let them get tired for first. Okay?
Yeah, no, I'll play him off for a minute.
I'll play them off.
Badass fucking gar.
Here. Find him for a second so I can put the head on him. There we go. There you go. You got him? There you go. There you go.
I'm ready when you are, babe.
Yes, sir. Yeah, he's just putting up a good fight right now, but I got him hooked well, so it's all good.
Oh, you got him, no problem.
He's already tired too. All right.
We got one more in.
Nah, he's ready.
You got him. Just give it a second. Give it a second. Give it a second. I told you if he's got it, huh? That motherfucker had it. I'm gonna pull him up. Ready? Put both hands if you can. Just be careful to not fall in. No, it's all good. It's all good. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good.
He's around.
I know. That's what I'm saying. That's not good.
Hey, what do you got?
Yeah. You got him. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright. Damn, he's
a good size.
Yeah.
You got
I can get him out with the PVC.
I was about to say that PVC should get him out.
Yeah. Hey, be careful. Hey, let's fucking go, bro.
Just fucking get it. Good shit, dog.
Oh yeah.
Good fucking shit.
Oh yeah. Let's fucking go. Let me get this one line. Yep. Alright.
You could probably drop it in June here once
Hold
we
on,
get
hold
everything
on.
situated.
Yeah. Reel in rods real fast. Or like, don't even reel them in actually. You can just put them in the rod holders.
Mine two are chilling, I think.
Put them in the rod holder. Here. No, put them in the front one, just in case. Wait, trust.
Front one.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah, I was about to say the other one's on the front.
All right. Make sure shit's secure. Make sure nothing can get messed up. I want to bring this boy in. Okay. That should be good, right? All right, hold on.
You want to try and get that hook out first?
No. Leave it in for a second, just in case he jumps over or something, you know?
Yeah.
You take the GoPro? Right here.
Yeah.
I don't want it to go crazy, that's why.
He's gonna go crazy regardless, I'm sure.
You get your phone out for these pictures real fast?
Yeah.
Because I don't want to have him in the boat for too long, you know?
Yeah.
Because he's gonna go ape shit away. Guys, this is like a 3.5 footer, guys.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna get him out with the PVC pipe. Y'all heard we don't want to have him in the boat super long. Because of that. He's going crazy. You see a knife? I found one. Shit. This way. I want to move my way. You can cut the camera real fast.
We'll be back with that release, y'all.
Yeah, I wish I already had. So y'all can see this PVC pipe here. You need to get that fucker to open it up more. You need rope? want the other side open? There you go. Whole monster over there. Doesn't want to come out. There things on you?
What?
The cutters?
No.
No?
No. You don't have any?
No.
Damn.
You didn't open his mouth again? Be careful with him. If anything, we'll just keep his ass with. I do need more guard meat anyways. Where's the hook at? It's deep in there, right?
Yeah, he's fighting it bad.
Hold on. Let me see how. Yeah, he's got it like right here in his stomach, sort of.
Oh shit, bro.
Should we just keep him or what?
If you want. Yeah, I mean.
Because he's duck hook, that's the thing.
Yeah. The only thing is, we wouldn't be able to stay out here all night.
Yeah, we could. We just keep the guard alive if anything. Or we just bleed him out and he'll be fine. Huh?
Yeah.
You got some parasites on him, look. I need gar meat anyway, so we'll keep them. Because I'm low on gar meat anyways, you know.
Yeah.
Well, we have to stuff right there, you know. Just so we don't throw them back like this.
Hell yeah.
Alright, we're gonna keep them, guys. Catch and cook coming soon.
Hell yeah. Alright, well, we'll be back with more gar action here in a bit.
Alrighty, guys. Well, here it is. That gar from today. It was measured at 42 inches, which isn't too bad. It's a little something light. About to start getting that fillet in. Doing that catch and cook video for y'all. If y'all are wondering where David is, I dropped him off at his house already because he wasn't feeling too well, and you know, I felt bad for him. You know, it kind of sucked because we were out on the boat and he was getting motion sickness and stuff. So I said, "Nah, pues let's go, bro." But yeah, here, we'll bring y'all a little catch and cook real fast. I'll record some parts of me filleting them and stuff like that, just because I don't got too much footage left. But we'll get those clips in, and then whenever I'm cooking them. Alrighty, guys. So I'm gonna start off with the butcher knife, and I'm gonna chop all right through here. I'm gonna chop all along this back strap. Cut it all down, all right here to the head, and then we'll fillet all this down. Let me show y'all how we get it done. Alright. So butcher knife. Nice and sharp. Here about just a second right here. Cut down. Grab something to grip onto because they're kind of slimy. There's the paint over here. fucked up a good part here, guys, but it's all good. We'll just keep on cutting through here. Nothing to worry about. I'll start from here, and then we'll get this later. Can I get this guard, please? Essentially, you just want to cut down through this. Alright, y'all can see I kept on messing up. So I haven't filleted gar in a bit, guys. Normally it goes pretty smooth, but it's been about like 6 months since I last filleted one. So y'all gotta bear with me here, guys. I know it's not a professional job, but it's my way of getting it done. My neighbors, I feel bad for them, guys. They can hear it. My neighbor told me before that she could hear me chopping up the alligator gar. But luckily, my neighbors are good people, so they don't care too much. That's a good thing. Let's see, there you go. You got them all the way down to here. All through here. I'll get this back in a bit, but that's pretty much it. I'm gonna fillet all this up with the fillet knife, and yeah, we'll get to it right now. All right, so I'm gonna try to show y'all real fast with one hand what you want to do. Shit, you don't want to fillet all through here, all through this, all down through here. We'll get that strap off, and then we'll have our meat fillets to cut off. I'll show you all that right now. Alrighty, guys. So cut this off real fast. And you just get the fillet knife. I usually start around here on the back side. This is easier for me. Like I said, you just cut up against the skin, just so you don't lose any meat. You cut up against the scales, you know. Cut up against the scales. filleted open. We're gonna go ahead and get this other side, and we'll be back with y'all. Alrighty guys, gar filleted up fully. You see that? Now I'm gonna just go ahead and cut off these back straps. Boom, boom. Should be good to go. Alright, so just so y'all can see how we get it done. All along the bone right here, you can feel it. I usually just press up on there and feel along it. Oops, let me get my arm out of the way, sorry guys. All up along there, on down this. Make sure I get all that meat off. All that meat off. This fillet off. There you go guys, that is one back strap right there. Some nice primo alligator gar meat. A couple pieces fell, but check that out guys. Awesome, awesome. We're gonna go ahead and get that other piece out. We'll be back with you boys. Yup. Alrighty guys, there you go. 2 healthy back straps of gar. Yup. We'll bring y'all that catch and cook in a bit. We're gonna go ahead and put these boys on in some water, get them nice and clean, and then tomorrow I'll cook them up. See y'all later. Alrighty guys, what's the next day? I got my gar meat all bagged up, the rest of it's in the freezer, and I got some filleted here, cut up into little nuggets. We're gonna go ahead and get it all breaded up. I got my breading right here. Some New Orleans, nothing crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and use that to get it done. See y'all soon. Now it's right up. Squeeze the water. Alrighty guys, here we go. Got everything all seasoned up. Using that Louisiana fish fry. I'm gonna go ahead and start dropping it out on the oil. Not a lot of oil, but enough to get the job done. 3 at a time, because I like to use a little small pot. Because I don't like to use a lot of oil. But here we go guys. Some macaroni on the side. Kraft, nothing crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and get done. Alrighty guys. Well, we're just about done cooking up all this meat. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this stuff looks so good. I mean, break open a piece for y'all so I can see that meat. It's that thinner part. Maybe one of the fatter ones. There's a fat one right here. Look at that baby open. Look at that meat. Some good meat. But yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. I got my macaroni and stuff, and I'm gonna eat. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. We'll have some more content soon. Until next time, we'll see y'all. Y'all have a good one. Peace. Alrighty guys, well there we go. Gar and macaroni. That's my favorite way to eat it, at least. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know it's not the best catch and cook video, but I mean it's a catch and cook, you know. Got the food there. We got meat here.
I'm gonna eat one more Cajun. Hey, but I hope you all enjoyed this video. We'll be back with more content soon, hopefully. Till then, y'all stay frosty. Have a good one. Peace.